you're thinking about buying a house, it's important to figure out exactly how much money you need. This is different for everyone. First, the down payment. You can buy a house with zero down, but most people like to put 3.5% to 5% down of the home price. So for example, if you're looking at a $200,000 home, that's like budgeting $7,000 to $10,000. Of course, you can always spend more or less depending on you, your mortgage lender, and the type of loan program you'll be using. Next is the home inspection. It will cost you around $500 to $700 on average. When you're getting a mortgage, there are closing costs involved. These are fees and expenses you have to pay to finish buying a house. These include like title insurance, attorney fees, escrow fees, and loan origination fees. Usually both the seller and the buyer pay their own closing costs unless it was negotiated earlier. You'll pay the closing costs when you meet at the title company to transfer ownership of the property. And for those, the lender should tell you the amount you should set aside. Lastly, don't forget to put away some extra money for the other stuff like new furniture, new appliances, new paint, or whatever it may be, or for some surprises that may pop up. So if you like, budget around a few thousand for those. Well, there you have it. Down payment, inspections, closing costs, and a little bit extra for cool stuff or for things that may pop up. Now you're all set to get your keys and to move in. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We're here to help you.